Hi, I'm Rob Walker. I've been playing drums for 15 years. I'm currently the drummer for the band Stormcrow. I'm a session musician and I'm a jazz group player and leader in multiple small ensembles. I play the Collision 5AR sticks and the Collision brushes. For me, the added length of the stick makes them incredibly versatile across the different styles of music that I play, and I found them to be incredibly durable compared to the majority of the other sticks that I've found and used over the last few years. Why Collision really stands out to me though is the people. They're a Northern English based company. As a Northern Englishman myself, it's nice to have a pretty local company to back me up. The quality of customer service is fantastic, and as I say, anytime you deal with them, you know that you're just dealing with good people. What you're about to see next is a playthrough of Stormcrow's Black Widow from our as yet untitled upcoming album that will be released early 2026.